absolutely insane. What's happening in the markets today and the past couple days with Wall Street bets, like insanity. Um, I'm just speechless. So I got in here on a dip to, I think the 11s or the 12s, and I sold this morning in the 19s. And my position from like the 16s or whatever, I sold in the 19s. I re-entered on this dip at 12.25, 10 shares. Um, on GME, I was looking at it over here. It just had a huge panic to 244. What a beautiful entry that would have been. Um, I'm also in Nokia because it's just like been hyped up in a way. And I saw this like gap up to 10, and I'm wondering if it'll do it again. I don't know. Um, it seems like people without a financial education are trading this stuff, and they're not even trading it. They're all piling into it and staying like like they want to be long, and they want to hold. And what's happened is hedge funds that have been shorting this thing have just blown up because the price just does not go down. It reached 516 today from, this was in like the single digit numbers like before. People have made millions of dollars off of this movement, and it's just insane. It's really the little guy versus the big guy. But it seems like there's going to be restrictions put on stuff like I think Robinhood was not allowing people to trade like anymore, or AMC or Nokia or GME, I don't know. But it's like people don't know that there are other brokers, so like people don't have the financial knowledge of stuff, which I thought was interesting. Um and hedge fund people are really upset about what's happening. So it's just so crazy. Like I'm just blown away by this. And just trying to take safe profits for myself um throughout this volatility. But because it is so scary to me, like it doesn't make sense for GameStop to be up this much. You know what I mean? So like it's very scary to me. Um, so I'm just watching what's going on in these markets, and that's all. I didn't even look at the top percent gainers today. I was just like, what the hell is happening with these? And I remember I was looking at what's BB? BlackBerry too. Like Nokia and BlackBerry were like phones from like the 90s. Like why are they spiking up to $10? Why are people buying these? And another thing people are not noticing is the float. This has a float of 5 billion. The volume does not match the float. Like the only reason why GameStop is so crazy is because their float is so low and the volume has been insane. But then like on AMC, the float is like okay, mid-sized, but they put out an SEC filing saying that they are going to add more shares to the float. So, and I think people will gobble it up. Look at this, a common stock at a conversion price of 13.51 per share. 44 million shares have been added to GameStop's float, and they are going to reduce the company's debt by 600 million. So this is just so crazy what's happening. Like I'm just watching. I'm just like fascinated. Um but yeah, I also think a lot of people are going to get hurt because of this, like the people that are piling in now. Like I don't know, it's too scary for me. I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm just kind of watching a little bit from the sidelines with like one toe in the pool. But I mean, the gains on this was incredible. Even as a short seller, shorting pre-market from $500 to 247, like that's insane. And I thought this was another great short from 381 all the way down to 251. So there's movement on both sides of the table. I don't know if there's any shares available. I haven't looked into it. But the market is about to open, and I'm really in shock. Like, people are so angry, especially because of the pandemic. Everybody's lost money, and I guess they all came together somehow. It's like an army of where they just want to make money. So I'm just watching, and good luck to everybody.